they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, just hit the notification bell to be informed when I drop the latest videos. So guys, as I see at the front of this video, it's my new intro, them lit them bad. So just like and subscribe and share my videos them, because I'm coming with prank challenges, you know what the thing says, yeah. So just hit the notification bell to see when I post each content each and every week. So this is Samiii, and thank you for 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful for you guys, because without you, I would reach 100 subscribers and counting. So I just wanted to give a big shout out who support me, who share, who comment my video, and who like up the video. But thank you all for what you are doing and continue to support me. Get me to 200 subscribers on my YouTube channel. You know what the thing said, yeah. Because I'm on the road. I'm on the road to 1k. So let's get me to 1k subscribers on YouTube. I see it. So help small YouTubers, help new YouTubers grow. So that's it for my video. I have some new video coming very soon. I have a river vlog. I have part 2 of my comedy. So just stay tuned and watch, you know. Remember to turn on the post notification, you know, if you're not turn on it, you know. You can't see. You can't see when I drop my banger video them. So that's it. I'm out. Love you guys.